Aloha! We're the Moseleys, the founders of Laughing Place, and we're here at Disney's beautiful Aulani Resort on the island of Oahu.
Join us as we celebrate the release of live-action Lilo and Stitch by visiting the beautiful paradise that inspired it.
We're excited to share our Hawaiian adventure with you in this, the latest edition of Laughing Place on location.
I have to begin with the fruity water that's available right outside the lobby. I come back here all day long to refill, but let's step inside. Here is the open air lobby of Aulani. You can see all the way through it to the back. There is beautiful artwork here, most of it created by local artists specifically for Aulani, as we learned on the guided tour we took. It's so beautiful in here. And a hostess met us, gave us our key, sent us on our way. Our room is on the 10th floor of the Wai'anae Tower, right down this hallway. Our room number is 1036, so let's head inside. So this is a 2 queen bed room with an ocean view. You can see it comes with a very effective ceiling fan. 2 beautiful beds that were very comfortable. One of the best parts of entering a Disney room is seeing your name on the screen. Here done as only Aulani can. They have this Mickey silhouette towel animal, including some plumerias, and you can't tell from the video, but this resort smells beautiful, due in large part to the plumerias, a Hawaiian plant that's just one of the best smelling things you'll ever experience. Wonderful Mickey and surfboard lamp, and let's step outside and see that ocean view. Again, this is room 1036, ocean view. Down below us is Waikolohe Valley. That is what the water park here at Aulani is called, with the lazy river and a couple of slides and multiple pools, and then beyond that, the beautiful beach. Okay, Stitch, thank you for that gentle reminder that the reason we're here is to find Lilo and Stitch. And look what we found out in the Waikolohe Valley. There is this statue of Stitch, and below it is a paper written by Lilo herself called Hawaiian Chants and Songs. And look, she got an A. But we've got a tip that we can find the actual Stitch at Hawaii Lawn. Hey, so we came to see Stitch at 1 o'clock, and Stitch is full. It's about 10 after 1 or so. So now we know. We did ask. He'll be back at 2, so nothing big a deal. And they told us as long as you're here, when he comes out, you will get to see him. So we'll see you in about an hour and see if we can meet our friend Stitch. And there he is. We were first in line to meet Stitch. Very exciting. Wanted to make sure I got my Stitch hug. You can't come to Aulani without getting a hug from Stitch. And I also wanted to ask him a little bit about his new movie, Lilo and Stitch, the reason we're at Aulani. And he told me a little bit about it, had a quick conversation about it, and then got a wonderful family picture. And the next day, we were able to meet Stitch's friend, Angel.
Hi.
Hi, Angel. How you doing? Oh, I just wanted to talk to you from here. That's okay. How you doing? Are you aware that your buddy Stitch is about to be in a movie? Are you in the movie too? No? That's okay. Okay. Well, I'm very happy to meet you. Thank you. Can we get a picture too?
Yeah, I want to.
We also learned that at Auntie's Beach House, they have something called Galactic Games, which unfortunately we're a little too old for, but we did find a short clip from Disney. Stitch can also be found at the character breakfast at Makahiki.
Wow. Wow. Oh, that's your entree.
Thank you to the wonderful Views and Cues for allowing us to use that video clip. So we found out when we arrived that a new batch of Lilo and Stitch merchandise had just arrived a couple of days prior. So let's go to Kalipa and take a look.
This Aulani Resort exclusive is a Disney Artist Showcase collection by Jared Maruyama. He brings his kawaii stylings to the character of Stitch in this brightly colored collection that has magnets, a water bottle, lounge fly, luggage tag, even a pin. There's an adorable plush that you'll see as we look over the collection as well. Such a wide variety of items featuring Jared's unique vision. The sculpted mug features these bright red sunglasses with the reflection of Aulani. One of the things I love about this collection is its wide variety. It goes from spirit jerseys to plush button-up shirts and even over-the-top sparkly blue headbands with plumeria and Stitch chomping on rainbow ice. In addition to the showcase collection, we spotted Stitch in this adorable, huggable plush, and then a variety of pins with the Aulani logo and various activities, whether playing the ukulele or cruising in a tube, just Stitch having fun at the resort. Need a new hand sanitizer holder? Angel and Stitch have got you covered. And you can find earrings, bracelets, a magic band plus, all with your friend Stitch on it. Check out these alien ears that light up various outline sketches of Stitch. Inside Aulani's high-end boutique, Halemanu, you'll find a couple of Junie and Burke designs featuring Stitch. This collection with a greenish hue and plumeria decor. It has the Aulani logo and Stitch in that kawaii style. While this pale peach-hued background has tropical plants, the main Aulani building pictured along with the Aulani logo, and Stitch in a style that I'd equate to how I see him in a little golden book. Super cute. Finally, at Halemanu, we spotted this lovely print of Stitch taking a swim in the lagoon there at Aulani. While checking out the poolside shop at the Lava Shack, we found Stitch hiding on a shelf behind the register. Stopping by the Ulu Cafe, you'll find Stitch on the stainless steel refillable mug, as well as atop several of the location's tasty treats.
After all that searching and meeting and greeting and shopping, it's time for some relaxing. Let's head down to Waikolohe Valley, including Waikolohe Springs, which you can see there, the lazy river. There are 2 water slides built into the mountain you see there. There are also 2 large family pools, a large adult pool, and many, many, many hot tubs. First thing you have to do is tap your key and get a wristband to make sure only guests of Aulani are able to use Waikolohe Valley. Then it's time to put the lazy in Lazy River. The relaxation continues at Aloha Point, a large 2-level adults-only infinity hot tub with a waterfall and a beautiful beach view. We also love the family Wailana pool, which is also infinity and has this attached hot tub. Gideon and I also had some deep conversations in the Waikolohe family pool. We were probably talking about theme parks. Aulani also offers snorkeling at Rainbow Reef, which we didn't try ourselves, but we did still appreciate these views of the beautiful tropical fish. Exploring the grounds of Aulani is a great way to appreciate this great state of Hawaii. Another fantastic way to learn more about Hawaiian culture is through the free guided tours and the storytelling at the fire pit.
On canoes similar to Hokulea. Does anyone remember how long that canoe is?
60 feet.
60 feet, all right. Now, this is kind of cool because before Western contact, there's no metal aboard. So what that means is anytime you see a Polynesian canoe, it's a dugout canoe, it's a single log. So you have a 60-foot long canoe. How tall was the tallest tree in the forest that day? 60 feet, yay! Now the artist who did this piece, his name is McD Philpotts. And McD is a Kanaka Maoli, he's a native Hawaiian artist, and he lives on top of that. Every time I say that, it sounds like he lives in a cave. It's like a very rural neighborhood. It's like city power, catchment water. Then we want to hear about septic systems, right?
Rallied all the people of Evan together, gathered everyone there on the beach, and you had the fishermen in the area go out and lay a series of long nets stretching all the way across the harbor there at Pu'ulo. Now Mikololo, that mischievous model, he had traveled all the way from the big island of Hawaii, all the way here to Oahu, all the way to the harbor there at Pu'ulo to get some dinner. He was not about to be stopped by some flimsy little nets, oh no. He was a very hungry and a very determined model. And he charged and he tore through the first net. And then he tore through another, and another, and another, and another still until finally, only one single solitary net remained. The net with the smallest eyes. And that was the one that caught Pu'ulo. The people of Pu'ulo, they rallied together. They grabbed onto that net and they pulled. They dragged.
Dinner at Makahiki is a great way to close out the day. It's a 3-course meal for about $80. The Caesar salad was excellent, one of my favorites. This is the roasted tomato soup, which comes with tiny grilled cheese sandwiches. Rebekah really enjoyed her ahi tuna, which was the special fish of the day. I was thrilled to be able to get a vegan sausage pasta. Got a lot of Parmesan cheese on the side of that. And Gideon said he enjoyed his prime New York steak with blue cheese butter. We closed it off with a dulce de leche cheesecake, more Mickey brownies with ice cream, and my favorite, the roasted pineapple cobbler. And of course, don't forget the sweet Hawaiian bread that was brought to the table more than once. We also had lunch at the casual poolside restaurant Off the Hook, and the favorite there was this hummus and naan, which was really, really yummy. By sheer coincidence, just before leaving Aulani, we spotted Chris Sanders, the original creator of Lilo and Stitch and the voice of Stitch himself. His film highlights the Hawaiian value of family, and Aulani brings that same spirit of Aloha and Ohana to life. We hope you've enjoyed this tropical adventure as we celebrated Lilo and Stitch right here at Aulani. Join us next Sunday as Jeremiah takes Laughing Place on location to Walt Disney World to kick off Cool Kids Summer. Aloha!